May 17th, 1995. A 6-year-old boy named Gedhun Choekyi Nyima woke up in his family's home in Tibet. He had been recognized just 6 days earlier as one of the most sacred figures in Tibetan Buddhism, the 11th Panchen Lama. By nightfall, Chinese government agents had taken him. His parents were taken too. He has never been seen in public since. Gedhun Choekyi Nyima is now in his mid-30s. He has spent almost his entire life as a prisoner of the Chinese state, making him, by most accounts, the world's longest-held political prisoner. And most of the world has no idea he exists. To understand why China kidnapped a child, you first need to understand what the Panchen Lama is. In Tibetan Buddhism, the Panchen Lama is the second highest spiritual authority after the Dalai Lama. But the two roles are deeply intertwined. Historically, each helps identify the reincarnation of the other. When a Dalai Lama dies, it is the Panchen Lama who plays a key role in finding the next one. And when a Panchen Lama dies, the Dalai Lama does the same. This made the Panchen Lama far more than a religious figure to Beijing. Whoever controlled the Panchen Lama controlled the future of the Dalai Lama himself. The 10th Panchen Lama died in 1989, under circumstances that have never been fully explained. He had just given a rare speech criticizing Chinese rule in Tibet. 3 days later, he was dead at 50. The search for his reincarnation began immediately. The Dalai Lama, living in exile in India, quietly conducted his own search. So did Beijing. It became a race. Whoever announced the reincarnation first would control the legitimacy of the title. On May 14, 1995, the Dalai Lama moved first. He announced that a 6-year-old boy from the Nagchu region of Tibet, Gedhun Choekyi Nyima, was the 11th Panchen Lama. Beijing was furious. 3 days after the announcement, Chinese authorities declared the Dalai Lama's selection illegal. The search, they said, had to follow Chinese state procedures. Then they took the boy. Gedhun and his family were removed from their home and placed in what China called protective custody. No independent observer has been permitted to see him since. No photograph. No verified communication. China insists he is living a normal life and wishes to protect his privacy. They have never provided any evidence of this. In November 1995, Beijing held its own selection ceremony. Using a golden urn, a Qing dynasty ritual that most Tibetans consider illegitimate, they chose their own Panchen Lama. His name is Gyentsen Norbu. He was also 6 years old. China has spent 30 years promoting him as the real Panchen Lama, parading him at state events, installing him in monasteries, using him as a political instrument. Most Tibetan Buddhists refuse to accept him. To them, there is only one Panchen Lama, and he's been missing since 1995. Gedhun Choekyi Nyima would be 35 today. The United Nations has called on China for decades. The answer never changes. He is fine. He wants privacy. A child was chosen by faith, and the government decided that was too dangerous to allow.